Hi, today I'm going to be unboxing my Nintendo Switch that I received for Christmas. It takes me back to many years ago with the first Nintendo in the 90s when I got that first generation. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so let's open the box and see the contents. This is the actual console, the switches, the controllers, the HDMI wires to plug it in, well, the power cable, the controllers, the screen, the controller, the holder for the controllers.
Okay.
I'm not sure what these pieces are.
Holder.
For its actual Joy-Con straps. These are the Joy-Con straps. And this piece right here is the actual Nintendo Switch dock. That's the dock itself. So we'll set it up and be right back. So we put the two controllers to the side of it. I've taken the HDMI wire and put the dock into the TV. So what I'm going to do now is set up the actual switch, and it's asking me the languages, what region that I'm in, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. The license agreement, and will you accept? Okay, right now it's searching for networks. So let's see what we get. So now we've connected our HDMI cord to the TV, and it says that it's connecting to the dock. It connected the dock to your TV as shown in the diagram, and then you press OK to continue. An image should appear on a TV a moment after docking the console. You put your console inside the dock, and it says that it should come up on the TV, which it has. It shows success. I press OK. And now this is if I'm going to go ahead and do a new user setup. So set in your icon and nickname. The information will be visible to your friends and other users. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my setup, and I'll be back soon. My configuration was complete. And now it brings us to the home page, which is the home button on your controller. And now I am at the insert a game card or download software from the Nintendo eShop. I'm going to go ahead with my Nintendo Switch. I received a full game download for the Mario Kart. So I'm going to go ahead and download this to the eShop to go ahead and play.